Hello, hello. Microphone check. We are testing. 1, 2. Hello. And we are working. Microphone check. This is awesome. Hello, and welcome to the Adventures of Syberiah. We're playing space engineers, and this is the Asteroid Hopper. If you've been following along on our last episode, we built a lovely hydrogen ship designed to transport hydrogen from our hydrogen base back to our production facility. So what I've done is I loaded up this lovely ship here with a bunch of materials, and I am here to do some upgrades in this area. So last time I was here, I did collect a lot of ice. That's why our little miner is here, but we're only running on 2 solar panels and a battery and 2 batteries here. So what I'd like to do is I actually brought stuff for a reactor, and I would love to set one up here and maybe reorganize the base a little bit. Also, I've gone ahead and I finished the flooring, finished welding the flooring. I've been hauling iron, steel plates out here for a little bit now. Got this all done. And I'm trying to come up with new ideas here. But one of the issues that I have is that our miner here, it took such a long time for it to... let's go ahead and get some oxygen in here. It took such a long time for me to collect all the ice that I have in there. I loaded up that cargo, but it took an eternity with this little guy. But I managed to get a good amount of hydrogen back to the other base. These guys are just now getting started on filling up. So let's take a look at these tanks really quickly. Let's go to control panel, tank. And these guys, they're little, slowly but surely filling up an inventory on our cargo. The industrial one, we got about 600k left. Now, what I would love to do here to make things a little easier is I kind of want to rearrange this whole section up top here. I don't like that my H2O2s are just kind of laying there. I kind of want to place them somewhere else, maybe off to the side here on the flooring, and just play around with how the piping is going to go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and turn them all off just for a moment, grind them down. So let's do control panel H2O2. So I want all of these guys here to be turned off. I want the inventory on H2O2s, and I want to go to the cargo, the large cargo, and I want to take out all the ice so that I can grind them down without that ice floating away. And right now we have 4 of them, which is okay. It's taking care of the job. Maybe if we had a few more, it could make things a little faster. Who knows? Let's grind this down too as well. And this one and this one. So for here, I just want to go with regular piping at this point. Let's just go ahead and set up some of these guys. Maybe the thicker one there. That one. Oops. Forgot to turn off this thing. Alright, let's do it the right way. There we go. So we'll have a pipe there. Pipe there. Pipe there. And there. So we'll set these up like this, and then maybe a couple of the thinner ones in the middle here in order to connect them. And this will just be plain piping for now. Let's see if we can weld these guys up. I'm going to toss these materials back into the cargo and then collect the other ones. There we go. Let's go ahead and connect these guys. So right now we're not really producing anything. I kind of want to figure out now where I'm going to park the ship though. And also we need to set up more piping for the new H2O2s that I'm going to be placing here. So let's get a few of these. And I'm thinking that I can do something with them. Let's see, where do I want to do this? Let's grab the H2O2s. Let's see where I want to place these. So I was thinking that if I place it here. Oh, need stuff for it. Need stuff for one of these, just so I can place them for now. There we go. So I'm thinking if I place it here, right about there. Don't know how I feel about that. Let's see. What about... How about this? Don't know how I feel about this. Don't know how I feel about this. If I do one here, one there, then I can pipe them there. This guy is in the way. I will not let that happen. But he's most likely going to stay there. So, not too sure. I had an idea here. I completely forgot what it was. Oh. I was just going to tag him along the side here. That's what I was going to do. So yeah, if I do this, these are the same height as that connector there. So we can do 1, 2, and 3 on each side. That's what I wanted to do. Perfect. 1, 2, and 3. And then we can have some piping here, like a T-junction. Right there. And then we can have this one and a curvy one. Curvy one there. Curvy. Straight. There we go. Do I have enough for these guys? Okay. Let's go ahead and toss these in here. And collect the rest of the stuff for these guys. So now we'll have 6 hydrogen generators, and it should be a little bit quicker to fill these guys up. There we go. I hear them clicking. Ice, ice, ice. Come on. There we go. It's doing its thing. Let's go ahead and weld these guys up as well. What's up, Viking? What's happening, my friend? Nice to see you again, as always. Alright, so here we go. We're working on this for now. We have 6 hydrogen generators. I need to place a reactor here somewhere. This thing needs power. So I'm thinking I'm just going to make this nice and easy, and I'm just going to put another one here that I can add a section for the... is this the one? Or is that the one? For the reactor. Yeah, let's go with this. There we have it. And I need the reactor stuff. Let's see here. Let's grab one of these. I know, I could be running off of hydrogen here, but I don't know. I'd kind of rather do the uranium here. Make it a little bit more reliable. There we have it. So now we have plenty of power here. I have to set up a little area to park my ship. Make my life a little easier. And I think I'm going to move it to the side here where I was connecting first off. And go ahead and set it up right there. And then we can park this guy here. And then I have uranium in there, and it'll just automatically do its thing. So we have a little room for this guy here. And then the mining ship over there. Let's go ahead and jump back inside and park it up. Oh, camera angle. Calm down. Alright, here we go. Nope, nope. A little bit too strong there. There we go. Are we straight with the base? Pet peeves? Alright, that's good enough. Cool. So now we're connected. Let's take a look at the reactor. This particular one here. Let's go ahead and cargo and take a look at... Oh no, it's in the assembler actually. This one. So I want to... Let's give it like 20. Put it over... Yeah, that's fine. For now, it'll be okay. If I can take that uranium from there and put it in the cargo, I think that's the trick, and then it'll automatically do its thing. There we go. Okay. We are good. We have power here. We have ice being made. The tanks are being filled. One of the issues that I have here that I kind of didn't like too much when I was working with our lovely little mining here, with our lovely little mining ship here, is it's just too tiny. It really is. It's a tiny little ship. And I was considering two different options. Either make a drill rig here and just start digging down, or come up with a whole entire new ship. Then I thought to myself, why not both? So that's what I'm going to do. So we're going to set up a mining rig right here that, you know, I can just come on, turn it on, collect some ice, fill this cargo up, just forget about it for a while. As long as I have one worth out of the 3 here that I can pick up with my other ship for now, that's good. And that'll buy us plenty of time to start filling it out as it goes. So, let's see. I need some conveyor parts. Lots of conveyors. Let's grab these guys here. The other thing that I could do is over here actually. Maybe from the bottom. What if I did that? If I could find this block underneath there, which would be, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 blocks in right there. So there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and of course it's the last one. Let's see, can we see the connector? Yes, that's exactly what we're looking for. Yeah, I think I'm gonna set up my drill rig down here instead. Let's go ahead and bring down some piping over here. I don't need anything fancy. Let me see how I want to set this up. Because we can just dig straight down and start collecting things. Or I can bring the setup here and then go in. Maybe that's what I'll do. Yeah, so let me see. I don't know exactly how long this has to be, but we're gonna have to figure it out here. Let me see. Let's go 1. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, let's bring it all the way just to be on the safe side. You can always add more drills, and this will give me room for pistons as well. So let's do this. So this is my idea. If I can get this going. There we go. So now I can set up some pistons. I hope I brought enough stuff for all of this, because I wasn't really planning on doing this big of a build. But here we are. A piston there. Come on, Mr. Piston. Get on your spot there. And then drill. Now that I'm thinking about it, this ice kind of goes downwards a little bit. So I'm actually going to bring this down even lower. So that hole that we're making, it doesn't... Because if you look at that level there, if you can imagine, you see how it kind of slopes downwards? I want to kind of clear that out. And we're talking maybe 5 blocks tall here or something to get to this level. Or else we're just going to make a hole right here. How about 1, 2, 3. Let's go with 5. And then I can always open it up and create a room later on. Maybe. Yeah, let's go with like 5 of these. Let's see. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. About here. Yeah, I feel comfortable about here. Let's go ahead with those pistons. 1 there. 1 there. And then drills. Make this nice and simple. Can we fit a drill there facing the right way? Come on. No, you cannot. Okay, so we'll have to start with just the regular 1 piston setup here, and that's okay. But I'm hoping that I can get at least like 3 drills or so, and then I'll move them around and keep collecting as much as I can here. So let me start with that. Let's weld whatever we can here. Do we have anything in the... Okay, we're good. Okay, that's gonna be all I can grab. Very cool. Let's grab all of this stuff. I cannot grab everything yet. But I did. That's 1, 2, and that's gonna be it for now. Let's go get more stuff. All right, maybe we can finish that and the piston. Very cool. You set the speed of this guy. Where's the speed? Velocity. Let's do -0.1 for now. And then we'll set some stuff up to make this work. Alright, hopefully we can connect all of this. I did bring some extra iron, nickel, silicon just in case I wanted to make a few materials and stuff, a few of the basic stuff, but not a lot. So I'm hoping that I have enough here to get this done. So we're gonna go ahead and drill. Oops, drills. We want all these here, not those, these. We're gonna go ahead and turn them on. Let's go ahead and take that piston and go ahead and reverse. There we go. We will be collecting some ice here very shortly. As soon as I make enough room, I can add another piston, go even deeper, and just keep going. Just keep going with that. That's the whole idea. I'll keep adding drills and keep adding pistons, and you know, we'll keep updating that as we go. But let's take a look here. Are we collecting? Let's see, ice. Yeah, we're collecting. Okay, we're like 400 something. We just touched the ice down there, it looks like. Sweet. Let it do its thing. We'll do one big swoop, come back, edit it, do it again, that kind of stuff. We got power, we got flooring, we got a drill system. This may just work. Very cool. Alright, so what I think I should do next is I'm going to leave this mining ship here. It can just chill here until we actually need it. But I want to go back to the base, and I want to start setting myself up with a better mining situation. This will work as a temporary thing for ice, and we can always move it around and collect whatever we need. This is good for, you know, tidier little areas and such things, and, you know, for like building around a base and making areas like that. It's going to be great for that. I'm talking about like 2 of these cargos at least on a ship with a big ginormous drilling system on there that you can fly to an asteroid, hoping that it has a jump drive as well. Goes to an asteroid, you can literally park it there, connect it, and let it just spend a long time collecting that particular resource. I want this little ship, or this ship, mining ship, to also carry a smaller ship, maybe perhaps detachable from it, that once I park it to let it mine, I can detach that and jump back to the base, go do something else. Because I'm trying to make this big enough to where it kind of just it's going to be mining for a while. So let's see what we can come up with here. I'm going to go ahead and turn off this beacon. Let's back on out of here, head back to Cyberdyne up there, and let's go. I'm a little on the heavy side, and this ship, it's not designed to carry a lot of weight. It's a space pod. It's a starter pod, for God's sake. That's why. Yeah, it took me a long time to stop here. It was kind of a mess when I was super heavy, and I'm still kind of heavy. So I'm thinking that I'm just kind of going to go with the around that maybe 150 speed there. I don't want to go too fast. It'll take me forever to stop. Yeah, I think I'm going to leave it at that. And that is one of the reasons why we need such a good mining ship like that. Because after that, I really want to collect a lot of materials. And after that point, I think it's time to start exploring. One of the little things that I wanted to do to make the game a little bit more interesting is on my GPS locations to certain materials, I think that I kind of want to roll the dice a little bit and say, for example, right now we have cobalt really close. I'm just going to say, all right, from this point on, cobalt is only in one location on, I don't know, Earth. So from that point on, I have to engineer according to that to go pick up that cobalt. And we'll have them spread out throughout the universe as we grow. So everything's on asteroids and nearby as of right now. So I'm thinking that I might just do something like that here in the near future, just to spice things up a little bit, create a little bit more of a fun environment to be able to create more. But I'm excited with how this is playing out. I really like the way the little ship came out yesterday on the last stream. Our little hydro hauler, the yellow submarine. I actually refueled the base here, and it was a lot of fun. That thing really hauls. Let's go ahead and hopefully use the 3 bigger ones here to slow down a little. Yep. See my problem? See my problem? I don't have a lot of oomph on this ship. So we're going to need a ship with oomph. Because right now it takes me such a long time to maneuver around, and you got to be extra careful and extra slow with this thing just to get it in and out of the base to begin with. But we'll get there. Very nice. We clear that. Pretty close. And here is our base. Man, I really enjoy how this asteroid's set up. How it just has this hollow donut shape here. I've been kind of staring at it for a while, trying to figure out what I want to do. And this column in the middle, I think that might be where I'm going to be living. Like our living quarters and such. I'm thinking about doing something cool in there. Hopefully in the near future. But yeah, as of right now, let's figure out this whole mining situation. Because mining with the little ship, lovely as it is, just takes such a long time. So I'm going to go ahead and see if I can park right here. Let's go ahead and turn this around. Slow down. Don't want to crash now. There we go. Let's go ahead and drop it. Oops, wrong way. There we go. Can I do it? It's right there. Ah, this is so difficult to see. There we go. There we go. Let's go ahead and park this puppy up. Sweet. Why do I not have... Oh. I turned this off, right? Pressurized off. There we go. That's why we didn't have oxygen here. Very cool. Alright. So, ideas, and ideas. I want this ship to be... definitely, I want it to be ion-based. I think that's kind of how I want to do this. But I want it to be a ginormous ship. And we're going to need a specific parking area for it. And I'm thinking that this might be the time where I start digging over through to this side and pop some connectors here to park this beast right there, make it easy to go in and out. And I think I might just do that now. That might be the first thing I want to do. So let's go ahead and grab a drill. Let's see. In my inventory, I need one of those good ones. Oh, it's in the locker. I think I put it in this locker over here. Yeah. You know what though? First things first. I need a gravity generator here. Because, yeah, we need a gravity generator. I'm tired of floating around and hearing that stompy sound. Let's go ahead and make a few of those. I'm thinking, can I just pop it right here? Why not, right? It could work right there. Okay, we got everything but the gravity components. Let's go see. One more. Come on. One more. Come on, production. What's going on? What are we out of? Iron again? How? How are we out of iron? I feel like I can never get enough iron. Yeah, it's just the iron now. Ugh, and I left a little ship down there too. Oh, I just want to go crazy. Really? After all this time, I'm still gonna have to hand mine. Hello, Estalon. Welcome. Glad to have you. I'm trying to figure out what to do with my life here. I need to build a good mining ship because I ran out of iron. And I left my mining ship in the other location. So I need to go get iron with that ship. So what I think I'm going to do, just to make life easy really quickly here, is I think I'm going to set up a little parking spot for the mining ship on this guy. Because this guy's got some cargo containers. And I can just go pick up a lot of iron really quickly and bring it back with this one and the mining ship together. So I'm thinking maybe if I were to... Can I do something here? Okay, there's a connecting point here. And then okay. I think I can do this, actually. So, for it to park, it would need a straight. It's going to look a little ridiculous, but we'll... Can I pull it through here? No, maybe not. Why not? It's not doing it. It's not doing the thing. Give it. Give it to me. And then I need one of these. There we go. Okay, so this is what I'm thinking. Just to facilitate life for a minute here with this mining situation. Because I thought I had enough iron. But apparently, there's no such thing as enough iron. And if I want to build this ship, we're going to need it. There we go. So now, when I get over there, I can pop that mining ship here. Let's get the gyro back, because, well, we're going to need that. And then I can put the gyro back here, I'm hoping. Just till we figure stuff out. Some computers. And the other thing is, I should refuel this anyway. Once I get over there, so it'll make sense to just take it. I hope this works. I hope they don't clash right there. But I will, just in case, bring a couple more of these. Just if I need to move that around once I get there. There we go. Just to have a little something something. So let's go ahead and jump in here. Close this up. This is why I need a gravity generator. And then we're going to go ahead and depressurize this on. Get some oxygen. Alright, sit here, unlock, turn on the thrusters. Let's go. It is time. Doesn't it look like a little submarine now? Maybe that's what it was missing. Alright, let's go. I got like 10 hydrogen left, which is fine for this ship here. Just for this tiny little trip down to the asteroid. So we'll be fine. Okay. Let's get out of the rock and go down there. Let's go, baby. Look at this little guy. He runs awesome. And look how fast. It's pretty crazy. I'm gonna go ahead and start slowing down because I already know. I already know. I already know. And water. Bye, asteroid. Speed mods. Yeah, we're down there. Let's go. We barely spent any hydrogen to make it from there to here. I was at 10, still at 10. I'm sure I spent a little bit, but look at these areas. I love this asteroid. And here we are. Let's go park this up, soak up some hydrogen, because we could use some up there anyway. Then we'll connect these guys together, hopefully. There we go. Bam. Refuel me. Alright, well that's refueling. Let's go park the mining ship. And I completely forgot to depressurize again. Because I'm a noob. And it happens. Let's go. Unlock that. And then... here we go. Oh no. Inventory. Do I got stuff in this ship? No, we're good. Okay. So if I did my calculations correctly, I should be able to park the mining ship up there. Because this would be cool, because then I can refuel the mining ship where I'm mining, and then the cargo hauler, well, the hydrogen hauler has some cargo space. We got, I think I put about 5 small cargo containers on there. I just hope it doesn't blow up right now. There we go. Can this be a thing? If I lock it, turn off my thrusters. I don't see why not. Let's go ahead and turn on our ore detector. And this thing cannot be, it needs to be fueled. So let it suck up everything that we got down there. Let's see what the situation is with the hydrogen. And then, if we got enough here on a big one, we can just head out. I don't care. But let's get some, come on. Air me up. Cool. 83%. Shoot. Yeah, we good. There we go. So, I think there was an iron location nearby here. I forget where it was. It was one of the neighboring asteroids here. We'll have to see which one. Let's see. 34. Yeah, there's one for 7 kilometers away. Look at this ridiculousness. Yeah, right there. 7 kilometers away. That's the one. AGFE. Let's go ahead and turn the rest of them off. And just leave that on. I'm gonna go ahead and edit this, say next to ice to right. Okay, that way I know. Alright, this just might work. Got 77% hydrogen. That's a large, I mean, that's a lot of hydrogen for those 3 little thrusters. We're not gonna run out anytime soon. But we do have to collect some of this iron. So let's go get it. Here we are on the approach. I'm going to start slowing down just because we are not that light. We're going to be pretty heavy once we're done. Should be fun getting back to the base with a bunch of iron. Let's see here. Where is the iron? Silver. Silver. Need the other goodies, the other stuffs. Iron. Did I have to dig like deep for it? I don't remember. Maybe. Or was it in there? Oh, I don't remember. I think it was in there or something. Let's see here. I remember I had to dig deep to get it, maybe. I don't remember too well. It's been a while. I think it was in here. Did I dig in here to go get that iron? There it is. Right there. I found it. There was a thing of iron right here. Okay. This will work for me. So we can put the mining ship pretty close here. I don't want it to be too far. I want to be able to just load it and unload it. Should be good here. Alright, let's go get the mining ship. Let's go ahead and depressurize this so we don't waste all of our oxygen. I guess the tank was full. Whatever. get this little guy here. So let's turn on the thrusters, off the, and unlock it. Yep, I popped something over there. Yep, I figured that might work, might happen like that. But what am I gonna do? You know, it is what it is. Just have to keep repairing this, which is bad. Maybe I should just get just go a block higher with it, just to be safe. It'll look ridiculous, but so I don't keep doing that. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. Because this is not the permanent home of this mining ship anyways. But for now, it kind of is. I'm glad I brought more stuff for that. Alright, cool. Let's go get some iron. Mine it up, buddy. Okay. Let's go ahead and turn these guys on. Ooh, ow. I crashed into something up here. Is there a right click right here and just clear out some more of this? It looks like there's a lot of iron here, which is good. Open up all of this. Okay, turn them back on and collect. Let's go. A little bit easier now that we got the room. Hello, Anox. Welcome. Welcome to the stream. Happy to have you. Hope you enjoy. If you're just joining us, we're working on collecting a little bit of iron here because we got to build a couple of things at the base. I'm hoping that I have enough of the other stuff to build my ship that I want. But we're looking to build a good mining ship that resolves this here. I want a ship that can pick up a lot more than this, just to make my life a little easier. And I think I have a design in mind that I want to work on today back at the base. And I am off today, which is awesome. And so I got some extra time to do cool stuff. Alright, when you fill the drills on this little ship, it is such a slug. There we go. Oh! That was a little on the scary side, not gonna lie. Good thing we didn't blow up. But this ship, onto that ship. Let's go ahead, get rid of everything. No. Cargo. This one. Everything there. Everything there. No, what am I doing? What am I doing? Small cargo container. These guys. Yeah. Oh, really? Is that all I can put in here? That's all it will take. That fills that up because I had the drills all filled. So, how about this? We throw that? No, no, that's not it. Yeah, it's gonna be pretty much it. Alright, so I'm gonna load up the rest that I can here, and I guess 2 loads is what it's gonna be. And we'll take that back to the base, get it refined. I want to put it on the big refineries and collect the most amount that I can here. So let's go ahead and get another load before we head back. And this is kind of one of the reasons why we're going to need a jump drive pretty soon. And this next mining ship, I wanted to have a jump drive, because I wanted to be able to go to whatever asteroid and just jump there, collect whatever it needs to, jump back to the base, and that's that. But we are doing well on the collection of iron here. And I should have that gravity generator on the base coming up after this. Alright, I think I'm good. I could have filled the drills up a little bit more, but we're going to be so heavy on this thing here. It is not designed for this. This thing is designed for hydrogen, not 10 loaded cargo containers. So this should be a fun trip back. Watch me end up in like Mars trying to slow this thing down. A little higher, and this way. There we go. Don't explode, because if we explode, we're in trouble. Nice and gentle. Nice and gentle. Come on. There we go. Let it kind of do its thing. Let's go ahead and turn my thrusters off. We are connected, right? Cool. Alright, let's get back to the base. Let's go take this iron to get processed and hopefully do what we gotta. So, do I have off? Yep, there we go. So, let's go. Oh my. I'm not gonna move at all here. Cyberdyne is over that way. There we go. Just look at this thing. Why'd you guys let me do this? Why? Why would you let me do something this crazy? Oops. Look at that. Alright, let's get back. I'm kind of scared to go too fast because I know I'm not going to be able to slow this thing down. So I'm going to give it 100, and that's it. And I'm definitely going to point away from the base. That's about good right there. Ha! At least we get the mining ship back at the base here. I had it at the hydrogen facility collecting all this stuff, all this ice. I should have checked on the drill over there. But I think we're good as long as there's enough ice to be processing by the time we get back. It's got power and everything. We'll be okay. Unless I just stole the majority of the hydrogen there. And took it. I'm gonna start slowing down. How slow do we slow down? Oh, we're slowing down really slow. It's one thruster holding all of this, and we're at 671,000 kilos. So I just may have to do a 180 here relatively soon to get this stop. Alright, not too bad, not too bad. There we have it. We are here. Gyros are struggling. Nice and slow here, because we don't need to crash. Yeah, so far so good. Look at that. I'm excited. I have a boatload of iron to help to refine here. I also added another mod here I really didn't mention much. It's called tethers. So I have these blocks there connecting power from one grid to the other. But now we can do some tethers, and it'll look a little better. Soon here we'll have a really sexy base, I'm hoping. It's scary that my stopping thruster's on right now. And is not stopping. Alright, let's see how well we can get to where we need to be here. Connector, yeah, we're a little bit behind it. Let's go this way. And let's drop it. I gotta readjust this connector where we're parking here. I want this to be flush with the base there. But I'm not ready to do that right this second. I want to get to what I'm looking at here. Did I connect? Not yet. Can't see. There we go. Slow down, shippy. Okay. Turn off the thruster. That. Let's go ahead and look at the refineries. Industrial refineries. Look at all that iron being made. Now we'll get our stuff. Let's go ahead and depressurize this. Don't waste everything. And then this is where I need to be flush with this eventually. But let's see if we can get that gravity generator part. I forget what it was. Let's see. Oh, that. Yeah, okay. Gimme. Should have made it by now. Perfect. Guess what, guys? We've got gravity. Look at this. Whee! I don't fly. Whee! Let's see. Gravity is at what right now? Field 150, field height. That's fine. I don't care. Acceleration. Let's make this a little bit lighter. I still kind of want to feel like I'm in outer space. A little bit. So let's try 75. Look at that. So now when I go, alright, that feels good. Try a little bit more actually. Let's do like where was I? 75. Let's do like a 6. Let's try that. Yeah, it's a little softer. Yeah, there we go. Okay, cool. So we have gravity here now. We have a lot of stuff going on. Alright, so I am thinking about if I were to do the tethers like I was talking about. Let's see here. Tether. Where is it? What is it called? It is power blocks. Not these. Takeshi maybe? I forget. No, that's the plain stuff. Propellers. I had something. Actually, it's not gonna matter. I have to re-download it. I think I might have forgot, but it won't really matter because what we need to do is here, anyways. So I think I'm just gonna be a little bit just like this, really. Just gonna go about it and just do it. And then I think the best way to go is to make a GPS marker on the other side and just aim for it. And then whatever comes out, and we'll adjust it according to what we put there. And I'm thinking like a staircase and then like a pipe next to it or something, just to bring it out over here. But this is where it was. So if I do /GPS, Siberia 4 is where we're at there. So let's see. Open that up. Pipe everything over to the other side. If we can have a little cargo there that I can just pull materials from, be able to work there, that would be really interesting to me. Let's keep going. So just a little bit above it because I want to land right on the blocks there. We should be coming up here soon. There we have it. Voila! Have a nice little tunnel there that we can connect to the other side. Cool. Thing about it is, how do we pipe it over there? So now, I think that straight down and then straight would be the piping, and I can just run it off to the side here, but here I can do like staircases and all that good stuff just to make it easy to get up there. Right? Is that what I want? Something like that. Not only that, but I gotta pull a connector, a conveyor from underneath here somewhere as well to be able to do this. So let's see, I think there is one right, I gotta squeeze through here. Come on. Not gonna happen, not gonna happen. Nope, we gotta go up the ladder. There we go. So I'm thinking this one here, right there. And that one's on that side. That might be a little closer, so it's 1, 2 over there. Yeah, let's do that. So it's 1 and 2 right there. So it'd be... Yeah, there we go. This could be it that we can take all the way over there. So we just go straight and then down. And we'll have a connector there. I'm thinking of this. Let's go ahead and pop you there. And then... just keep going. So there's the this way, and then there's the this way. Okay, let's see where we're at here. Just want some regular pipes here. 1, 2. How are we doing? Yeah, it's gonna take a minute to do this one, but it is what it is. Let's see. And we'll have some conveyors and connectors on the other side by doing this, which is going to be great. then I can start expanding that side of the base as well. And go from there. Look at how lopsided I do this. Do you have trouble trying to mine in a straight line without doing anything about it? Like without actually like doing a projector or something? I can never keep it straight. Come on. Come on. Oh, come on. Can you fit there? Will you fit there? I guess not. That's the front of this thing right here. There we go. As long as we have a pipe out here that can bring us goodies. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, we're just gonna bring it down. Nothing too fancy about it. I'll play around with this as I figure out how I'm gonna develop this section of the game here, of the base here. And we'll go from there. Yeah, I'm thinking just plain and simple, all the way down to a cargo that I can build stuff out of. So, yeah. Let's go ahead and just grab a bunch of stuff for pipes with this guy. I'm just gonna fill up the entire inventory with it. And let's go back here in the middle and weld them up. Look at that. We got things happening. I'm thinking this pipe, like later on, will make more sense as far as connecting to other parts of the base up here that I'm looking to do. Right now, it's just a way to connect these guys and not have to worry too much about it.
Energy low.
Yeah, yeah. I know there's a connecting point there so that I can pick up stuff if I need to. Right here. There we go. Make this easier. Let's see. Yes, 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 yes. Now I can actually get rid of this. Don't really need this here. Now these grids are together. Ow. Yeah, we can do that. And I can actually weld these guys up while I'm at it.
Energy critical.
Really? One thing left. Okay. Let's go ahead and get this color. Pop these guys. All that color. Oh, this never welded. There we go. Perfect. Now this goes all the way to the end. We're good here. This clears it out. Connects to that end. And for now, I'm just going to leave this as a cave, really. I'm not going to worry too much about it. Like I said, I just wanted to be able to come over here and build out of this side. Because I'm thinking that I'm going to build right about here. So let me get some steel plate. Like right about here. So let's go ahead and go a couple of blocks tall. I'm thinking that as far as cargoes go, I want to go with the old school ones here. I want to figure out my thrusters, like left, right, up, down, all through the middle of this thing here. So I want to maybe Oh,
No
yeah, I
energy.
forgot about that whole detail about the life being alive thing. There we go. I really should add some lights on that end over there soon. Alright, we got energies. Let's go see. Okay. So as far as what I want to do with this ship, I'm thinking 2 cargo containers. Up here, we have a piston system. Don't know if you watched my episode, The Big Bro, aka the Stone Piercer. I kind of want to do a large grid version of that, but it'll just go straight. And that way I can fly this, connect it to a an asteroid, initiate the timer block, let it just sit there collecting everything it needs into these cargoes. And then the section of this ship that is the jump drive, it'll be detachable from this, so I can just leave it there, come back home, and do other stuff while that's happening. That's the plan. Not 100% sure how I'm going to set this up just yet, but the main part of the mechanism that I'm looking to do here, let's see, I'm going to start with, I'm going to do a conveyor first. Yeah, let's go with a conveyor. Piston. And then curvies. Like so. So we're gonna go... Let's go downwards first. Okay, so we go there, go there. Piston, no piston here. This is the section of straight. One there. Oh, come on, give me stuff. Okay. So we're gonna do this. I'm gonna go with the just straight up pipes for this, just to keep it nice and simple. This and the curvies, because I don't want them to collide against each other or anything, and I'm not 100% sure if they do or don't, but I don't think they do. But it'll be something like that, and then another piston right there. Now we can go upwards. 1, 2, 1, 2. Curvy back upwards now, right? Yeah. Right here, we go ahead and pop another one. Piston. Go ahead and set up yet another curvy right there. Another one here. I hope this works. I haven't really tested this out in creative or anything. I'm just winging it at this point. So we'll see. That, another piston. We're gonna go curvies again. Curvies this way. One, two. Curvy. Curvy this way. And then another piston here. God, I hope I can weld all this later. I'm just going with it. Then we can go with the straight here, like so. And this one, I don't mind it being that. I can then... Is this where I want to connect the drills? Yeah, this is where the drills are going to go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. There you go. So that would be the rig. So this would expand and then fill out the cargoes here that we have, and so on and so forth. I really need to figure out thrusters and all of that to move this thing once it's loaded. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna weld all this up first, and after that we're gonna do a test to see that everything works, and if it does, then we're in good shape. Can I reach that guy over there? Can I please reach that? Yes. Alright, if I could extend that one, then we're in business here. Then I can start getting into the other ones, I'm hoping. Let's see, let's try it. This is where a welder comes in really in handy. But we don't have one yet. Come on. Alright, can I do a, yeah, let's go reverse. There we go. That opens that area up a little bit better for me to get in there. And then I want to do this one next, so I can move the drill up. Let's go with the reverse here. We got plenty of room. It's not going to hit anything. We're fine. All right, let me get a bunch of conveyors. Let's go weld every conveyor that I can put my hands on there. Okay. So we're here now. These two. And then down here. Here. Very cool. Still missing steel tubes on that, but it works though. Alright. Let me go get more stuff here. I think I have enough for all these for now anyway. So I was right about here. Let me start over because I missed the pistons that I was doing. So here. There we go. That guy's done. Now this one. Very cool. Cool. Awesome. These are welded. And there we have
Energy low.
And I gotta make sure this guy gets a weld. Come on. You gotta reach it. Did I get it? Yes! It is all welded now. Okay. So let's go ahead and just extend all these pistons. These are all the pistons here. Extend. We want to extend these guys. And then that one. So I want to see exactly just how far this thing can go with just the way it is right now. Let's go reverse, reverse. Cool. Oh yeah. We can definitely clear a lot of materials doing this. So obviously we're gonna need sorters and all that good stuff. I need to get myself a bunch of these. See how many we can get. This is either going to be the best ship ever or the worst one. I cannot tell yet, but we're staying positive.
Energy critical.
Okay. Ow. Energy critical. When is it not critical? Sweet. This is gonna be cool. There we have it. Let's go back. What else do I need here? Other than everything. Man, this would resolve our iron nickel silicon problem here real easy. And most likely I'm probably not even going to have to extend it all the way a lot of these times. Let's see. So now that I have this ridiculous contraption, let's go ahead and focus on what it would look like in the ship. So now that I know that it all works, right? Let's go ahead and get the pistons. And I'm just calling this piston drills. Save, and then let's go ahead and reverse these guys, put it away for now. Let's get this cargo container welded up. You can get some loving right here. And now we design a ship around this. How do we do that? I believe we need to share inertia tensioners with these guys. The piston drills, can we do that? Let's see. There it is. Cool. Maybe it'll vibrate a little bit less. So what I'm thinking is I'm literally just going to create a case around this thing, close them up so they hide kind of inside, and all you'll see is the drills popping out, hopefully, and then we design a ship on this end of things. Now I do understand that this is going to be such a heavy ship because of all the cargo that's going to go in here. So one of the things I want to make sure is to ensure that it has enough thrusters to do things. So I'm thinking I'm going to give myself the space of 5 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then we're going to go with another one right there. Can that be a thing? And the reason is I'm trying to see where I want to place all these thrusters that I want to do here. Now if we go hydrogen with this, oof, I don't know. I don't know. And then where would the jump drive go to? Don't know. I have no idea. But if we did, let's say, ions. Scrap some of these guys here. So the idea would be to just pop them 5 on each end. Up, down, left, right, all of those. Pop some 2 big ones in the back. Oh god, this is going to take all my materials. 2 big ones in the back, and hope for the best. Right? Isn't that how we go? 3, 4, and 5. So it'd be kind of like that. I'm going to just set this up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Down. 5 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I gotta weld the top, but then you'd have the top ones as well, like that, same way. Then after that, I just need stopping power, and I just need what's it called? Stopping power and moving forward power. So I can add 4 there, right? For stopping. This is gonna be insanity. Yeah. Okay, let's go ahead and grab all this stuff for these guys. See what happens here. This is gonna be a little crazy. It's okay. Are we still in? Yeah, still in the gravity generator here. Pretty cool. Cool. All right, that could work. You know, I really should have piped this already to the system here. And you'll see why here. Let's do it. Let's get a bunch of these. And these will be just used for now, but later we'll get rid of them. There we have it. This pipes this into the system for now, and the reason I want to do that is so I can do spot welding with these. Let's grab a welder right there. So now literally I just grab stuff from here. See that? It's amazing. I'm gonna pop you there. Turn you on. Now we're talking. Now we're talking. Does it get the ones on the bottom? It does not. Oh, that is horrible. But I'll start making these because these will take a little bit. So, you know, it is what it is. But the cool thing about it is if I place another one right there, it'll weld that guy up too. And then I just turn that on, and that welds that. And those guys. Ha! Not too shabby, huh? This guy can then be taken away. Much easier to do it this way.
Energy low.
Very cool. These are all welded. Look at that. Wah wah. Now here, I'm going to take these 2 off and then just pop one right there, and then the last 2 will, those we'll have to do by hand, I guess. Let's do as many as we can there. Pop one here. That should collect the rest. And on. There we have it. That works for me. And honestly, I can do one of these here just to hold this off to the other end there so I can use this conveyor right there. Actually, I didn't even need that. I just realized that. Okay, let's get some thrusters right here. Let's get these guys out of here. Now we'll get those thrusters like so. Can we? Oh no, I went with the different thrusters, didn't I? I did. We're gonna keep the theme. So let's go to this guy here again.
Energy critical.
I think I went with these here. Where is it? Those. Yeah. It's okay. Sideways, like that. Oops. Oops. Again. There you have it. Take care of those guys. We have something. Something here. Let's go ahead and get the down ones. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Come on. 4 and 5. We can do a bulb it there. Turn that on. What these guys make. Let's go get these guys out of here. What's up with my light? Oh, I'm out of energy. I'm out of energy again. I was wondering why my light wasn't working. Alright, alright, alright. I need to make a medical bay to speed things up with this. That would be great. Yeah, that's one of the next things I gotta do. Alright, we're good. Let's go back. Oh, give me the stuff. That needs stuff. Needs stuff for this guy. Perfect. Look at that. Everything welded. That works. So we got somewhat of a something here. And I'm going to go ahead and take these blocks out of here because I didn't really need them. I just realized that the conveyors are now the ones holding it and it's still piped. Okay, it does need power. It's going to need power. It's going to need reactors and it's going to need some big thrusters. I'm hoping that, yeah, 3's good. Let's see. If I did these guys, big ones, right there, like one there, and one there. Maybe instead of taking the jump drive out and all that I was talking about, I could just not do that. You just leave it be that way. But it is going to need batteries, and I need room for these batteries. So I'm thinking, especially we're going to have a jump drive, it's going to need to refuel, repower once we get to wherever we're going and all of that. Come on, get out. Alright, let me take a quick peek here and see exactly what we're going to do. Most likely I'm going to have to add more thrusters to get this to slow down better. Let's just be real about this. That would really be the deal there. So we can add more. 8 to stop. The more the merrier on that, right? Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and add a couple more here. Might have placed them wrong on the other side. Let me see. I sure did. Okay. One there. One there. Yeah, just to be on the safe side. Get a little bit more room here. I'm cool with that. Alright, very awesome. So, now we got a little bit more stopping power. I'm thinking that as far as the... How do I want to do this? We gotta have the jump drive, right? And we gotta have the big thrusters to stop this thing. What if I do a jump drive here? You know, I was gonna make this a detachable thing, and I'll be honest with you, it's gonna make it so big. I'd rather just have like a little small grid that I can go play around while I'm waiting on stuff. Alright. Gravity generator. I'm not even gonna try to weld this thing. That's a job for this. Come on. Oh, not you. You. There we go. There we go. Now this might take a minute. Gravity components. I'm gonna change the Q to the gravity components there because I don't think they're on my list. Let's see. Are they on my list here? Gravity generator. Yeah. I should have like 20 at all times. That's one jump drive. Cool. Let's leave it at that. Oops. Backspace. There we go. Let's leave it at that. And hopefully it'll weld itself over there. Let's get back down there. Cool. So we have this. What else is needed? Yeah, it's making it. It'll be here soon. Now for batteries. Let's do... You know, we keep doing these guys here. Yeah. I'm gonna go with the new ones, because the new ones. 1, 2, 3. And I'm gonna put 3 more on the other side. 1, 2, and 3. And then we're gonna do a welder again. Man, is that the best angle for that? It's gonna have to. Maybe not. Look at that, we have a jump drive. This is awesome. Man, we're making progress here. Turn you on. Get those batteries done. Probably making power cells for everybody right now. Yeah. So we'll let that do its thing. Did it finish the bottom one? It did. Let's get these guys out of here.
Energy low.
Cool. 6 batteries. I love how fast our refineries and assemblers are working. This is really cool so far. But yeah. Here's another battery. Another one. It's gonna be a ginormous ship. By the time it's extended, it's gonna be a little crazy, but that's okay. We can make it happen. I'm thinking my cockpit might be just like up here somewhere. Then I can park a smaller vehicle back here. Maybe? Don't know. But I'm digging the way this is looking so far. I do know that we're gonna need some big old thrusters right here. Do I want to just do them there? Like there? Yeah, let's go with that. Let's just go with that. It gives me a little bit of room for other things that I may need here. If I need more batteries and such, I got room there. I think I might. But the thing is, we need reactors. So let me get 2 of these.
Energy critical.
I think 2 just might do the trick on this one. I'm not 100% sure. But let's go, you know? And then we can do the open end this way, like that. And then one here. There you go, it's already functioning. Very awesome. So far, so good. Center of mass is somewhere around here. I'm gonna move it back a little bit. Maybe gyros can go. Let's see. Let's do 2 gyros, maybe? Maybe. Give me stuff. I'm gonna need 2 of these guys. So maybe one here. Not there, not there. Maybe there. Let's go one there.
No energy.
And then there. I don't like the no energy thing.
Low health.
And this is starting to look good. We're doing okay. Everything's awesome so far. I think what I'm gonna do is now that I got all the thrusters, we got front, back, up, down, left, right, all of them. This is obviously going to be just for space, and for as long as we don't go near planets or anything like that, we'll be okay. The thing is, once we do go to planets, we're going to need a different ship. But that's okay. It'll just give us another engineering opportunity for later. I'm okay with that. But what I do want to do here is I need to weld these ginormous thrusters. And what better way than to... Let's grab a couple welders. Make life easy again. That's one. And that's going to need one there. Right? Did I put them right? Yeah. Okay. Cool. Turn you on. Let that work. Turn you on. Oops. There we go. Sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet. I got room for 2 more reactors if I need them. And I could do maybe the cab over here. I don't know how I'm gonna go about this. I really don't. But I'm excited though. We got gyros. I think it needs a cockpit and we can fly this thing. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to, yeah, iron nickels. These guys got, yeah, we're good, good, good. I just want to make sure. Got 2 gyros. Just give me a cockpit for now. Or a seat or whatever. Yeah, let's do a seat. One of these. And I'm just gonna put it, I don't know, I feel it in my soul that it needs to go over here somewhere. Right there. So I can throw a connector maybe under here. Right there. For this. And then I can put one maybe here so we can park it on there. So give me another one. There we go. And then this ship can park. Dude, it could even park like here or something. I don't know. We'll see. It is officially a Jeep. There we go. This thing can be there for when we come back. All right, let's test it. Oh boy, this is huge. Look at that. It's not bad. Gyros. Could use more gyros, but you know, it's expected. It's heavy. It's really heavy. But I'm going to add more gyros. Let's get these guys out of here though. Got that one out of there. Gyroscope. Give me gyro. Maybe like that. One there. One there. What? No. Are we out of oh no. I forgot. We're not connected to this thing anymore. That's right. I forgot. Let me get another gyro. And then we're going to take this for a spin. I think if all works out well, that will be okay. Won't really be doing a test on the drilling just yet because I need to set up basically what I want to do is set up some kind of legs that'll come down and connect to the ground, right? So like landing gears or whatever. It'll be stuck and stationary, and then this will slowly go in and do its thing. But let's see here. What does this feel like when we're flying it? Okay, that's better with the gyros. Oh, oh no, oh no, oh no. We don't want to do that. Okay. Mucho better. Man, this thing has got forward power. All right. Let's see. Let's go. Haha. How does it stop? Because the gyros are so in the back here, it's a little wonky. Let's see. Pistons. I want to test something. I think that it's not as smooth because of that. Oh, yeah. This is way better. Okay. Back. Thrusters. I don't know what to call this thing. I'm going to call them brakes for now. I need to come up with a name for this ship. Let's see. Brakes. On, off. So, yeah. Okay. So you turn these off. All of those. Yeah. Then you go. The thing about it is, you see how much we're burning here. We need more batteries. We're gonna need some more batteries. For sure. Okay, let's go back to Cyberdyne. I can always put some more batteries over there by the jump drive. Oh, stop it. Stop going in the wrong direction. Okay. Man, this works. This works. This weird contraption. It just might work. Alright, let's keep it going nice and slow. I don't want to crush this thing. Alright. So, I think this just might be as far as I'm going to go with this today. I am going to have to leave the rest of this for the next episode. But I am very excited to test this out, and I think this is just going to take care of a lot of mining issues here. This would definitely make life a lot easier collecting everything that we need. Imagine, you get to jump where you want to go, collect what you want to collect, jump back. Doesn't take that long. I mean, for a ginormous ship. Well, ginormous compared to everything else that we've done so far. But we'll get bigger than this, I'm sure. We're gonna need a mothership at one point, right? I mean, come on, we're in space. There we have it. It's a little, just getting used to maneuvering it around a little bit, but we'll be okay. You know, it's empty right now, so it's not bad. But I can imagine what this is gonna be like when it's full. That poor little jump drive's gonna be like, I can't take you all the way there. Oh, don't want to do that. There we go. Let's get that connector and switch lock. Boom. We are attached to the base. We are part of the base. This is phenomenal. This really works for me. This is gonna change the way I do things here. I'm gonna let this charge up nice and neat. I'm gonna let it do its thing. I gotta calibrate the drills and make sure that I can put it on a timer block and make sure that everything works. So I'm gonna leave it at this. I'm gonna come up with a couple of ideas of how I want to skin this ship. I might add a couple more thrusters depending on what we need. But for sure, more batteries. So I'm gonna go ahead and set up maybe 3 more here. Let me get some more stuff for these. What am I doing? Oh, again, right? It won't do that through that. Is that the deal? Yeah, that's what it was. Okay, no worries. So let's go ahead and pop them here. 1, 2, and 3. I'm gonna throw these on here and let them charge with it. That's very important. 1, 2, and 3. Cool. Oh yeah, I keep forgetting. I wonder why you can't pull it through the ship there. How many do I have? 1, 2, 1 and 2. Give me more stuff. I just need to make this thing functional because I know I'm gonna need a lot of materials after this, especially after all those thruster generator components that I used. Power cells, it's the story. Power cells. Okay, 3 more batteries, so we're gonna have a total of 12 for this thing. Let me see here. And these two. This one's done. Okay. $60 more power cells there. This one's done. Just this one now. Cool. Alright guys. Thank you so very much for watching. I appreciate all the love and support. Please hit that like button if you enjoyed what you saw today. I'm excited. I might come back a little later and do another one today. But as of right now, I think this is where we're going to leave it off. What do I call this? What shall I call you? Thank you for watching The Adventures of Syberiah. I will catch you guys on the next one.